Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Today in this video I'm going to talk about important concept in a Python. So indentation is very important when we try to learn a Python. As a beginner it's very important to know, because if you are coming from the C sharp or the C background, you know indentation means nothing. It just spaces before the variable or the text, right? So the standard definition for the indentation, I would say the spaces at the beginning. Spaces at the beginning are called as an indentation. For example, I have a variable called as x, and there I'm giving some space 1, 2, 3. So the indentation value for this one statement is 3, right? Okay, so this is the indentation. That's fine. But when we try to learn the Python, the first thing which come into the mind, why this is important, why I need to understand the importance of indentation. Indentation are used to separate the block of code. You will see the different error when we start to learn the program. Now I'm going to show you one demonstration. There I'll show you how the indentation is very important and how to fix the indentation error, right? Just go to the demo. In this video I'm going to show you some conditional logic, but don't worry, the things which I'm going to show you we haven't covered, but this is just for the demonstration purpose, and this is what to show you that how this works. I'm going to write one simple program here. There I am defining one variable called as x, and I'm giving a value equal to 5. Here I'm writing one conditional statement. If x is greater than 4, then I should get message. So for getting a message we have a function, we have seen it, right? So this is greater than 4. Okay, then I'm going to write else part here. Just write the else. Then I'm going to print a message like value is less than, value is less than 4. Perfectly fine. So this is a simple program. Here I could say this is a simple program, right? X is equal to 5, then I'm going to check the value for the x. If it is greater than that, then I'll go to the else part. If it is if else part, right? So okay, that's fine. So I'm going to select this code. I'm going to click on a run, and now let's see the output. I'm seeing the output, this is greater than 4. It means that the value which is 5, which is greater than 4, obviously. So this program is done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change some indentation, right? So this is the print statement, which is the child one. I'm just going to change the indentation value. Let's see the output. Oh, I got the value. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the indentation. Now if you'll see the block which is the part of if or else, actually this is in line. There is no indentation more than that. So as per our rule, as per our definition, the indentation for the child should be greater than 1. So now this is a program. I'm going to select one and just going to run it. Now say we'll get error. The error says indentation error, expected an indented block. So indentation is very important to show that this is a block. Now let's see what will we get. Again we'll say we'll get error, right? See, print value is less than 4. Why? Because the block of code which we are saying it should be in a line, and the actually it was the same indentation like the parent one. Okay, now just do the run and let's see output. Now for understanding I'm just making it clear, just you need to type clear and just run the code. Now you what will see, we'll see this is a greater than 4. So value 5, so I could say 5 is greater than 4. Simply runs one. I would say 5 is greater than 4, right? So this is very important as a beginner and a good developer. If you want to learn Python, you need to understand the importance of indentation. I hope you like our video and thanks for watching. If you really like our video, don't forget to share and subscribe with your friend. If you want to learn SQL Server and the Python, please subscribe us, and thanks for watching. Have a great night.